Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, last day of November 30th, 2009. Can't believe it. Where did the year go? But we're looking at the S&P ETF again, the SPY. And what I want to do is simply bring some pre- and post-market data to this chart, this little 3-minute intraday chart. And just to get some context, you can see where we are right now. This is where it closed on Friday. And a nice little run up, came all the way back up, and now we're right here at 109.60 area. If you look, however, at a 15-minute chart, you can see why we'll be watching this so carefully. This is now a higher swing low after this greater than 50% retrace on the gap down. So this was a fairly tremendous gap on good sized trend readings, which we need to be very, very careful of, but we did get a gap fill before any kind of little sell-off. So we're looking at a higher swing low. I'm going to be watching the trend and the rest of the market internals, especially the VIX, like a hawk today. And I want to make sure that they come back in from outer space and confirm either a move to the upside or downside before I do anything at all. And that's just me. You guys can trade more risky if you want, but just be careful about that right now. Here is a 60-minute chart as I zoom out time frames. Again, here's that 68% retracement right up to the rising 200 MA on this chart. And again, if you look at this in context, if I were to remove all that pre- and post-market data, you would see a different picture. Let's do that right now. So with that pre- and post-market data gone, we can see that we have gapped down right into the 200 MA and then bounced off of it into the 50. So again, grain of salt this. What I really want to know is, are we going to hold up above 108 today? Are we going to try to fill this gap some more, this unfilled gap which remains now as resistance, and continue this wider consolidation than we had at 109. So this is a 109 to 111.50 consolidation that has now been tested all the way back down to the 108.30 mark. So that's what we're watching for today. And that'll be this will be a big day. Tell us, I like the declining volume part of this. I'm actually excited to find out what happens. Anyway, so take a look. Make sure you trade safe-ish and put your money on the table only when it makes the most sense. And we'll go from there. So I'll talk to you also right around noon Eastern Standard Time to find out what has been happening and what the chances are that we'll be up or down for the rest of the day until D7 gets a hold of you. All right, talk to you guys soon.